this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I want to say happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and I hope that you all have an amazing day. Well, as you see in the title, today I am going to be showing you how you can make sublimation Christmas tumblers designs in Canva. So I already have some tumblers that I made last year, and I have some that I made in 2022 also. And I'm going to be showing you these tumblers. Now, the actual template that I have put on these tumblers, the design templates, is going to be over on my Etsy shop, so make sure you go and check them out. So the first one I want to show you is one that I made last year with a super cute gingerbread man, and it says Merry Christmas. Now this design is going to be over my Etsy shop. All right, let me show you the other one that I did last year. Now I did a Grinch. So y'all, I can tell you right now, the Grinch is trending. Now this particular design will not be over on my Etsy shop because this design I got off of Creative Fabrica. That's not the one that I made myself. Now this one here is one that I did myself. This is going to be over on my Etsy shop also. Super cute. Now this one here that I just showed you, I did this one back in I think it was in 2022 when I did this one. And this one here was one that I did back in 2022 also. And as you see, it is super cute. So I'm going to have these designs over on my Etsy shop, so make sure you go over and check them out. It will be, the measurements and everything will be over there, okay? But today, I want to go over into Canva and show you some of the designs that I've already done. Now, the designs that I'm going to be showing you are some of the ones that I have made this year 2024. And we're going to be taking those designs and we're going to be placing them on a tumbler. Now, one thing I can say about Christmas tumblers is that they're a hot seller, y'all. Like I said before, everyone drink out of a tumbler. You drink water, you drink whatever your beverage of choice may be, you're going to be drinking something. So let's go on over to Canva. Let's print these designs out on my Epson 8550. And also I have the tumblers that we're going to be using. And we're going to be pressing them with my tumbler press. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, everyone. So like I told you, I'm going to be showing you these designs. So here's one right here that I did. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and print this out on my Epson ET8550. Again, we're going to be putting this on one of the tumblers. I'm going to be showing you two different Christmas designs that I made here in Canva. Again, these design will be templates that will be over on my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description box below. Everything that you see here in this video will be in the description box below, so make sure you go and grab them. Also, I have the Sublimation Ebook for Beginners, which is an amazing guide for you, a how-to guide for you who are just learning sublimation. I have put everything in there for you, so make sure you go and grab one. Okay, so make sure you go and grab that ebook. All right, so this is one that I'm going to be doing. All right, y'all, so here's another tumbler design that I'm going to be putting on the tumbler. So let's go ahead and print these out. Okay, so another thing that I want to show you is some things that I did. I just pulled it over here into Canva, but I did these in AI. If y'all want me to do some more AI designs to show you how to do it, I don't mind. Just let me know in the comment section. But that's a couple that I did. Here's a couple. Here's another couple. There's one there that I did at the... All right, y'all, so I have printed out my designs. Here's one of them, and here's the other one. So remember, on my designs, when I have the white edges, I just go ahead and tear it off. Now, when you have white edges this close to your design, I would not recommend you tearing it because you may tear your design. So I would recommend just cutting it. Now on this side, you could rip it, but just as long as you don't rip your design. But that's totally up to you. So I'm just going to cut the bottom. Now I may rip this side here, but at the bottom and on the sides, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it because I don't want, like I said before, to rip my design. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to tape it using my, heat tape. something that I forgot to remind you of is make sure you take alcohol and just wipe your tumblers down. That will get any debris, any fingerprints or anything off of your tumbler, because you do not want to sublimate, put any sublimation design on a tumbler that have not been cleaned. Okay, so this is what I was telling you. Right here on this side, you can go ahead and just tear it off, but do not go into your design. And when it comes to this one, okay, you can just tear. This is a pretty big piece over here, so you can just tear this off also. Remember, these designs will be in on my Etsy shop, so you can go ahead and purchase it and start making your tumblers for Christmas, okay? All right, y'all, so here I am with one of the designs. So let's go ahead. I have my little pick here. Go ahead and take this off. I'm just gonna peel it. I'm just gonna try to pull this tape off, y'all. Get this tape right on off. Y'all see? Try not to let y'all see my craft room or office, because I'm redoing it, so it's a little janky. Alright, y'all, so let me see. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And y'all be careful with the pick, because you don't want to scratch your you don't want to scratch your tumbler. Alright, y'all, so let's see how everything looks. And y'all, it's looking pretty good. Look at it. Look at this tumbler. Super cute. Alright, so let me see if I can see. Look, that's the seam. You can't even tell where the seam is. Can you see it right here? So that did an amazing job. What y'all think? Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. I love it. It is super cute, y'all. Look at here. I'm trying to think, do I want to give this away as a giveaway? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. We will see after Thanksgiving. I will decide if I want to do a giveaway and give it to someone. All right, let's go ahead and look at the other one. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and took the tape off, but let's go ahead and unwrap it together so we can see how it looks. You ready? Oh, this is super cute, y'all. Do y'all see this? Look, it says Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. I love this. Oh, this is just where the tape was. Let me see if I can get some alcohol. All right, so you see those little spots there? All you have to do is take some alcohol and just wipe them off. Sometimes you have to take alcohol and wipe back over your tumblers. And you see it come right on off. Look at there. Just wipe it all the way off. Look, y'all. This is so beautiful. I love it. Look. Isn't this gorgeous? Let's see. Can you see? Let's see. Can you see the line? You can't really see the line because of the checkerboard here. Yes. So I designed this myself. And like I said before, this design will be in my Etsy shop, as well as this design will be in my Etsy shop. This design will be there. And I have 3 other designs. So I have a total of 3 more designs plus this one. That's 4. And then I have this one that's going to be in my Etsy shop. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get everything uploaded by tomorrow in my Etsy shop. But if not, it will be no later than before the end of this week. Okay, and I will have everything uploaded. I will also have a great Black Friday sale on my Etsy shop. Remember, my website is not up and running yet, so I will not be able to do a Black Friday sale from my website because I'm still working on that. And that should be finished no later than by the end of this month, my website. But my Etsy shop is open and it has some designs in it. Like I said, I'm going to be uploading these designs, and you do not want to miss the Black Friday sale that's going to be over my Etsy shop. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box. You want to click that link so that you can go and shop my Etsy shop. Y'all, these deals are going to be off the chain. Do you hear me? These deals is going to be off the chain. You do not want to miss them. They're not going to last long. Only for Black Friday. So make sure you go and grab you some of these templates. Make sure you go, if you don't want to go to my Etsy shop, go to my Beacon store that has my Sublimation For Beginners Ebook. It has the prayer journal that I was telling you about. It's also going to have these designs also. So I'm going to have them in both places. So make sure you go and check it out. All right, so these are the designs. I hope that you enjoyed them. I hope that you like these designs. If you go to Etsy or either my other store and purchase these templates, make sure you tag me on Instagram and just show me what you're making with your designs. Show me your tumblers that you're making. Also, you can go and join my Facebook community over on Facebook. The links are in the description box. I have a Facebook page and I have a Facebook community. You can join either one of them, okay? I would like for you to join both of them. Make sure you subscribe to this channel here on YouTube, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload new videos, okay? Like this video and leave me a comment below. Let me know which one you like. All right? So, y'all have an amazing day. Have a great Thanksgiving. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.